Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And just so you know, a shout out to Kayla's Toy World for inspiring me to do this video, but I'm doing it with a little different parts. And also, we're doing a mystery bag. So they did an LOL box. I'll leave a link in the description to go to our channel. And so let's get started, you guys. So first I have this little bunny, and her name is Walker. That's it. Wait, really? That's a weird name for a bunny. No, Walter. That's a weird name for a bunny. That's it. And then I have this Squeeze-A-Maw. It's a dog. It smells like dog treats. I wish you guys could smell it. It's a good dog treat, not a bad dog treat. And then I have this candy holder. Poor owl. And then I have this Tinkerbell thing, and then you do this. Here, I'll put it in the camera so you guys can see. The camera's falling down. See, look. Isn't that cool, you guys? And then I have a My Little Pony Rarity. Her hair is very naughty because I played with her when I was little. My favorite, a Pomsy. And let's turn her on. And this is from my first video, just so you guys know. Super cute. So let's turn her off. And then I have Neon Kitty from Hello Surprise. And that's it. And then this is my travel bag, just so you guys know. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and shout out to Alexa and Kayla, who are my friends, my BFFs, and they inspired me to do this video. So check out Kayla's Toy World. So thank you guys for watching. Bye, you guys.